The texture is holding up well. We've got good moisture retention.
Yeah, it's ready for the African cucumbers.
Make sure you cover the base properly on this row.
Yes, madam. It looks good now.
Perfect. Let's move to the next section.
African cucumbers require balanced hydration.
Look how strong these leaves are.
And the fruit is setting well already. The biomass levels here are lower than we need to adjust the irrigation in sector 4.
The size and shape are perfect on these.
Yes, the uniformity is excellent this season. We should have a great harvest.
Okay, team, the schedule says 500 units today.
We have the crates ready, Alpha.
Good. Let's move quickly. The first rows are ready for picking.
Cold storage rooms hold African cucumbers. Temperature monitors blink. Shelves are stacked high. Air circulates evenly. African cucumbers stay fresh.
The quality is excellent, as you can see.
What is the best price for this quantity?
For you, we can do 200 per crate.
African cucumbers are sliced and packaged. Uniform cuts are visible. Speed is high. Quality remains.
The analysis is complete. The African cucumbers meet all safety standards.
Excellent. Thank you.
Clear lift on the green container. Swing her around. Bring it down into the hold.
The freshest cucumbers you will find, straight from the farm this morning.
Look at the quality. Absolutely perfect for your table.
The data from these new sensors confirms the soil moisture levels are perfect.
Yes, the organic methods are clearly working better than we anticipated.
This cucumber represents everything we've worked for. It's not just food, it's a sustainable future for our whole community.
Look at this section. The growth rate is exceptional.
The digital supervision is working perfectly.
Compost recycling areas process waste from African cucumber harvests. Peels and vines.
Water conservation systems drip feed African cucumbers. Every drop is measured. No water is wasted. Sensors adjust.
For safe harvesting of the African cucumber, inspect your tools first. Then, grip the vine firmly and snip the stem cleanly, like this.
With these ergonomic tools, workers can harvest African cucumbers with ease, increasing productivity while reducing physical strain.
The new design passed every stress test we threw at it.
The labeling integrates perfectly with the material. Crisis. Global demand for African cucumbers has skyrocketed this quarter.
The new pricing structure means we can finally expand.
The recipe says we should add the spices right after the cucumbers.
All right, let's do it. It smells amazing already.
The African cucumber is truly a superfood, rich in antioxidants and supporting a healthy diet.
It absolutely is, and as you can see on the chart...
Here are your fresh African cucumbers, madam.
Oh, thank you so much. We are very grateful for this food.
The combination of shade nets and precise sensor data allows these African cucumbers to flourish, reducing heat.
Look at this resilience. The leaves remain firm despite the drought.
Yes, these varieties are growing strongly.
Flood control channels protect African cucumber fields. Water flows safely away. Raised beds remain in tension.
The sequencing data confirms the accelerated evolution. The resistance markers are fully expressed.
The yield is truly remarkable this season.
What?
The new seeds have made all the difference. We are very impressed.
This is the Kiwano melon, also known as the African horned cucumber. We usually harvest them when they look like this.
And how long does that take after planting?
To get the best yield, you must ensure the soil is rich and the vines are protected from the midday sun. This is how we strengthen our harvest together.
The harvest this year is exceptional. We've already sold half the shipment.
The new equipment has made a real difference.
Look how well they have grown this season.
Yes,
The best harvest we've ever had.
we finally succeeded.
Global demand maps highlight African cucumbers. Arrows connect continents, trade routes glow.
Here in the fields, we see the true impact. These African cucumbers truly tell a story of growth and change for the community.
So we have a deal, my friend.
It is a pleasure doing business with you.
Cold chain technology protects African cucumber term. Sensors track temperature.
Our responsibility is clear. We must care for this land and these cucumbers, ensuring a sustainable future for the next generation.
African cucumbers feeding millions. Cities appear, homes light up. Food connects. The journey is complete. From soil to table, every step mattered. African cucumbers define modern farming,